Sakubona mfundi. Let me teach you how to say this is beautiful in Ndebele. So the word beauty itself is ubuhle. But depending on the subject, the word that we're talking about or that we're describing, you can either end up saying inhle, muhle, lihle, sihle, zinhle. Some of these are plural. Okay. So let me show you what I mean. Starting with this child is beautiful. Umntwana lowu muhle. And then if you want to say this boy is handsome, umfana lowu muhle. But if you're talking about a girl, inkazana leyi inhle. Okay. Now we move on to young woman, young men. All right. You can call them intombi, ijaha. Okay. So if you want to say this young man is handsome, ijaha leli lihle. This young woman is beautiful. Intombi leyi inhle. All right. Moving on to woman, men. The woman, umfazi lowu muhle. This man is handsome. Indoda leyi inhle. All right. And then we also have like a grandmother, grandfather, old man, old woman, old lady. Okay. So you're going to say isalukazi lesi sihle for the old woman. Then for the old man, ixhegu leli lihle. Right. So the first pattern that I want you to take note of is for words that start with U. We've already said umntwana muhle, umfana muhle, umfazi muhle. So for all the words that start with U, you're just going to do it like that. Umfazi lowu muhle. Okay. Then also similarly, when you're talking about someone and using their name, it's going to be like this. Uzandile muhle. All right. Or usandile muhle. Uzandile is a girl's name. Normally, Sandile is mostly a boy's name, right? So whether you're talking about a girl or a boy, male, female, you're just going to say Robert muhle. Angithi uSamukeliso muhle. Hope it makes sense. All right. So besides talking about people, you want to describe items. Sometimes you want to say this house is nice, that window is nice, that dog is nice. Items, any items. Okay, so it's the same thing, depends on the word that you're describing. So let me give you some examples. Let's start with indlu, the house. Indlu leyi inhle. Angithi indlu. But if you're talking about the wall, umduli, angithi, you're going to say umduli. What do you say? It's another U word, right? Just like umfana, umntwana. So you're going to say umduli lowu muhle, right? All the words that start with U. Okay. Another one, umangoye, a cat. How will you say this cat is beautiful? Umangoye lowu muhle. We also have the donkey. We call it ubabhemi. So what will you say? Ubabhemi lowu muhle. Angithi ufudu, the tortoise. Ufudu lowu muhle. Angithi. But if you're talking about a dog, inja leyi inhle. You're talking about a bird, inyoni leyi inhle. Talking about a snake, you want to say this snake is beautiful. Inyoka leyi inhle. Angithi. So that's how you use the word beautiful in Ndebele sentences. This family is beautiful. Imuli leyi inhle. All right. Hope it makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you in the next lesson.